everyone, this is Ride Review. In this video, we're gonna watch about the Royal Enfield new trials. As a part of Bullet family, it comes with the upswept exhaust pipe. This exhaust can blow smoke over the face of the uncle who irritates by honking. And also, on going around the corners, this exhaust is not gonna scrap anymore. And for the 2019 Royal Enfield trials, it comes with a luggage crack and with no more foot pegs for pillion rider. As it's a beginning stage, it comes with only in one silver color with two variants of 350cc and 500cc. As a 350cc variant, it comes with a 18 bhp power and 28 Nm torque and 5-speed gearbox. The front suspension comes with a telescopic fork and the rear suspension comes with a twin shock absorber. The front wheel has a 19-inch and the rear wheel has an 18-inch. It has a spokes wheel. Both the 350cc and 500cc variant comes with a dual channel ABS system. It's a great thumbs up for Royal Enfield. It has a width of 805 mm and a ground clearance of 135 mm, which is good for off-roading purpose. Since it has a dual channel ABS system, they have a better safety purpose on off-roading terrain. And it also has a luggage rack, so you don't have to customize it for a luggage rack for a touring purpose. For the safety of the bike with extra accessories, Royal Enfield gives the head grills for the headlamps and the fork gaiters for the fork seal, so the dust won't build up on the fork. And it also includes handlebar braces for better reinforce during off-road purpose. The bike offers with the Seat Pro Grip tire, which gives more confidence for the off-road riders. The fuel tank has a capacity of 13.5 liter with a mileage of 40 kmpl. Since the bike can be used in off-roading purpose, so the front and the rear mudguards are clamped with the extra clamps so that they won't vibrate during the off-roading terrains. Finally, coming to the price of these bikes, the 350cc comes with the 1.67 lakh ex-showroom Delhi and the 500cc comes with 2.07 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. If you like this Royal Enfield Trials bike, like this video and share your thoughts in the comment box below. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe to Riders View.